In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in or zoom out video on Clipchamp. We'll walk through the fastest ways to get a clean, controlled zoom so your footage looks polished and intentional. Start by opening Clipchamp in your browser. Create a new video, then import the clip you want to work with. Once it's in your media library, drag it onto the timeline at the bottom of the screen. This sets you up to edit right away and keeps everything organized. Click the clip on the timeline to select it. You'll know it's ready when it's highlighted. This is important because any changes you make should apply to the right piece of footage. For a quick zoom, use the canvas in the preview area. Click the video in the preview, then drag the corner handles. Pull outward to zoom in or push inward to zoom out. This is the simplest method and perfect for fast adjustments. As you resize, watch the edges so you don't cut off anything important unless that's the look you're going for. If your subject isn't centered after resizing, just click and drag the video on the canvas to reposition it. This lets you frame the focus exactly where you want it, which is especially helpful for highlighting a face, a product, or an on-screen detail. For a more intentional zoom change during playback, use the split and resize approach. Move the playhead to the exact moment you want the zoom to begin, then click the split tool, the scissors icon. Select the second part of the clip and resize it on the canvas to zoom in or out. When you play it back, you'll see a clean change in scale right at that point. To make that change feel even smoother, you can add a transition. Open the transitions panel and drop a fade or crossfade between the two clips. A short, subtle transition often looks most natural. You can also fine-tune framing with the fit and fill options. Select your clip and toggle between fit, which shows the full video and effectively looks more zoomed out, and fill, which fills the screen and may crop the edges for a tighter, zoomed-in look. Preview your video from start to finish. If anything feels too tight, too loose, or off-center, adjust the zoom level and position until it feels right. When you're happy, click Export, choose 1080p for a crisp result, and download your video. And that's it. Clean, controllable zooms in Clipchamp, done the right way.